Are you also running Instagram ads and want to add your lead details to the Google Sheet? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we are going to create Instagram lead ads to Google Sheet automation step by step. And I'm going to create this automation by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect, that integrate varieties of applications and automate your business. So now let me firstly show you how the automation which I have built in is going to work. So for that, let's move on towards my lead ad testing tool page, where I'm going to fill this Instagram lead ads form, providing the email as test@pabblytunes.com, first name test, last name lead, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Instagram lead ads form. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether the details of this lead is added over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Google Sheet, where you can see I'm successfully receiving all the details of my lead, that is full name is test lead, email is test@pabblytunes.com, phone number and the city. So now as soon as I have filled my Instagram lead ads form, the data of my lead is directly added to the Google Sheet, and I don't have to do anything manually. Means I don't have to check for the leads again and again and manually type these details, as I have created an automation by using Pabbly Connect. So now you can also create an automation like this for automating your business, which is going to save up a lot of your time. And for that you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect. So right here you can see this is the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating the automations. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to get this workflow page by typing the URL of the Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account first time over the Pabbly Connect, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and accessing Pabbly Connect. 100 free tasks means you can save the details of 100 Instagram leads freely. And if you also want to create an automation like this for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chat and Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. And now let's move on towards my workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Instagram. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Instagram lead ad. So here I'm going to select it, but you can select the trigger application according to the workflow you are creating. And now let's select the app event as new lead instant. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to this connection page of Instagram lead ads, where for building the new connection you just have to click over this connect with Instagram lead ads. But if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. Now I'm going to click over this connect with Instagram lead ads, and as I have already log in my Facebook account, I'm going to select it. So make sure to log in your Facebook account connected with your Instagram account. So here you can see this is the Facebook account which is connected with my Instagram account, and in this Facebook account I have created this page, that is the magic makers, which I'm going to use to create this automation. So here we are getting this option for selecting the page. So from this drop down I'm going to select this page, that is the magic makers, and afterwards we are getting the field for selecting the form. So from here I'm going to select my form as new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. But if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this page, then you can even select all lead gen form also. But here I'm going to select new leads. Now I'm going to select my response format as simple, so that I can get the response in simple format. Now we just have to click over this save and send test request, and here you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission. Means we have to receive a new lead over our Instagram lead ads. So for that, let's move on towards my Meta for Developers page with me. So here I'm landed to my Meta for Developers page, which I have got by typing this URL, that is developers.facebook.com. And here on the resources, we are getting this option for developer tools, which you have to select. And here I'm going to select this lead ads RTU debug tool, and you will be landed to the lead ad testing tool page, from where we are going to get our form. So here I'm going to select the page which I have recently shown you, and here the form has been already selected. Now let me firstly delete my previous lead, because I can create only one lead per form as I'm working on the test mode. And here you can see that my lead has been deleted. And now as I have refreshed this page, I'm going to select the page again, and here I'm going to just click over this preview form button, and here I'm getting this form which I'm going to fill. So here I have filled this form, providing email as newlead@pabblytunes.com, first name new, last name lead, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Instagram lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this response over there or not. So here you can see in my Pabbly Connect, some seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my Instagram lead ads form. And this consists of all the details of my lead, including the email which I have filled, first name, last name, phone number and the city too. So now as we have received the response, this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. And now I'm going to add these responses to the Google Sheet. So for that, I'm going to use my second principle, that is action app. And you can have only one trigger app, but you can have many action applications according to the automation you are creating. So here I'm going to select my action app as Google Sheets. Now let's select the app event as add new row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building the new connection you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. And as I have clicked over the save button, my connection has been built in so smoothly. And here we are getting this first field for selecting the spreadsheet. So here the spreadsheet has been already selected, where I want to save the data of my Instagram leads. And afterwards we are getting all these fields for providing the user or the lead details. But I'm not going to manually type the details like this, because I'm going to map all these fields. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous tab so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Instagram lead ads, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and here we are getting Instagram lead ads, from where I'm going to map the first name of my lead, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. And now let's map the rest of the details such as email, and now let's map the phone number from the response. So here I have mapped it. Now let's map the city, and here I have mapped all these details, and these fields are dynamic. Means these are going to change with every new single lead received from your Instagram lead ads. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request for sending this data to the Google Sheet. And here we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrates that the data might be sent to the Google Sheet and might be saved. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check it. So here I'm landed to the same Google Sheet, and here you can check out I'm getting the lead details, that is full name is new lead, email is newlead@pabblytunes.com, phone number and the city. So now you can see that we have successfully created this amazing automation by using which I'm adding my Instagram lead details to the Google Sheet. And not only these particular applications, you can integrate many more applications with just one workflow and automate your business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any kinds of doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.